Today on Cooking with Lynja, we're making my world-famous #1 show-stopping, extremely tantalizing, crunchy, crispy, saucy, mouth-watering buffalo chicken wings. The ingredients we need are flour, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, chicken wings, peanut oil, butter, hot sauce, black pepper, and garlic powder. The first thing we do is prep 2 pounds of chicken wings by thoroughly washing them. Next, in a medium bowl, we make the wing coating. We mix together 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we coat all the chicken wings in the wing coating. Then we cover the wings and refrigerate for at least 60 minutes. We grab a saucepan and combine 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of Frank's hot sauce, a generous pinch of black pepper, and a generous pinch of garlic powder. Now we have to get the oil ready. Now we have our fryer, fill it with 2 gallons of peanut oil, and heat to 375 degrees. And now we fry the coated wings for 10 minutes. Then we place the wings and buffalo sauce in Tupperware and shake until the wings are coated. And personally, I love the wings when they are drenched in that hot, spicy buffalo sauce. And finally, we serve the wings on a platter. And that's how I make my world-famous buffalo chicken wings. In the comments below, let me know whether you're a wing or a drumstick person. Make sure you check out this video or this video.